Welcome to the second annual K12 National Cook-Off. I'm your host, Sarah, and we're here in Arlington, Virginia at the Kitchen of Purpose. Our top 5 finalists in grades 6 through 12 from across the nation are here to battle it out for the champion title and a $1,000 cash prize. In today's episode, we're going to meet Caleb, a 6th grade student from Destination Career Academy of Georgia.
My name is Caleb. I'm in 6th grade. I hope to cook in like a really good, fancy restaurant.
Each finalist will draw a card with 4 random ingredients that they will use to create their entree with. They will have exactly 60 minutes from prep to plating to complete their dish. They pick one card.
I got duck.
You drew duck breast with farro, spinach, and apples. 3, 2, 1, go!
My plan was to cook the duck, season both sides with salt and pepper, and put in the farro. And the spinach goes with heavy cream, and the apples, they just got sliced and peeled.
Today's competition will be judged by 3 professional chefs. Let's meet our judges.
My name is Adam Hoffa. I'm the executive chef of Pirouette Cafe and Wine Shop.
My name is Brian McNair, and I'm the CEO of Kitchen of Purpose.
My name is Isabel Koss, and I'm the executive chef of Pascual and pastry chef at Lutez in Georgetown. Caleb, tell us what you did today.
I made duck with spinach and farro with parsley and apple in the middle.
The duck is nice. It's not easy to cook duck.
It's not easy to cook duck.
Was this your first time cooking duck?
No, it's my second time, but
I think my notes could be, I think a little more apple would have helped us with the cream and like to brighten everything up.
I would love more apple in there, maybe even a little onion in the farro. I do like the butter and the cream and the spinach though. Nice job there.
Nice job, yeah, good technique there.
the best part was getting praised for the duck because I only cooked it once before.
Each finalist will draw a card with a mystery fruit that they will need to feature in their dessert dish. They will have exactly 30 minutes to complete their dessert.
I drew strawberries. I knew what I was gonna do. I got 2 cups of milk. I put the sugar and the milk with a pot. First I whisked it, but that wasn't working, so I just got the mechanical whisk. I think it did a little good. It wasn't super liquidy.
Tell us what you made, Kelly.
I made a strawberry custard.
So I think what happened with this one, when you put in your hot cream to the egg, rather than putting it in little by little,
Oh yeah, I did.
cooked the egg. I will say the flavor of the strawberry is nice. It's prevalent.
Yeah.
The sweetness isn't too overbearing.
The flavors are good. I can taste the strawberry.
I noticed that you were the only one here that came with a chef coat. Is that your goals? You want to actually work in the field, be a chef, and
I really do.
nice.
Good job, Caleb. Thank you so much. Thank you for cooking for us today.
We need your help to determine our People's Choice winner. Public voting will be open from July 23rd to July 29th. Don't forget to vote for your favorite chef. Cast your votes at enrichment.k12.com/cookoff. How would you feel if you were to win the People's Choice Award?
I would feel like happy and proud that a whole bunch of people voted me.
Tune in next week to meet our finalist, Isla.
Really good.
Yeah, this is really good.